what innovation or invention or new thing are you most excited about at the moment in this arena?
The technology always, surprises us with new aspects. But I think metaverse today is a hype, and a lot has been talked about its application. Maybe the focus has always been entertainment. Like Fadi was saying, during the pandemic, the focus was not definitely entertainment. There was a huge amount of data consumption relating to entertainment, definitely. But if we use the metaverse today, one of the challenges that we've talked about is crossing these barriers of those who do not believe in the overall spectrum of ESG by simulating some of these solutions in the metaverse and seeing its impact at least in that virtual world. I think these capabilities, although a little bit expensive today, but I think they can prove to us one thing, shifting minds, transformation are always a challenge, but showing it in a virtual world, seeing its impact, whether plus or negative in the metaverse, probably will help. So that's one aspect that I think will definitely bring us many opportunities to see how we can visualize the future going forward.
And just, Sheikh Bader, what are you most excited about as far as innovations in sustainability?
To me, maybe it's a bit personal in terms of the first part of my career was in the aluminum industry. And the second part is in telecom and technology. I know we've talked about 5G, but I think the potential of 5G and what it can do has not been realized completely yet in terms of AI and what have you. I think it has great potential in industry in terms of automation, in terms of really kind of digitizing some of the processes that will help a great deal. I'm talking about aluminum industry as an example, and either controlling emissions, controlling waste, saving lives. It's not that bad, but it is a kind of an industry that it comes with its own hazards, improving efficiency, improving productivity. And we've seen some small kind of user cases with Ericsson and some of the potential clients in the industry. And I think there's a lot to be done and a lot can happen. We have the tools, but it's still, we still need a bit of time to see it happening in real terms.